guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good one. For the past couple of weeks I have been working. I do have some updates. I will be sharing some projects on here, and I haven't had the time to actually edit. By the time I get home, I am exhausted. I take a shower and I get into the bed, and that's pretty much how my day has gone. But without any further ado, I'm gonna give you a full tour of the closet, and then I'm gonna start breaking down some of the elements within the room that I absolutely love and certain things that I had found challenging. That way you can kind of stay away from them. There's a couple of things that are not completed, like the light installation. Even though I have it done on the lower level, hope you guys saw that, I still have to have it completed on the remaining side of the closet. Quick update, the mini fridge is not going to stay there. It's currently off, but just to show you, there's definitely enough space, and if I left it, I would also add a hole right here on the side to allow air. Originally, it was right here, and there was definitely enough space for it too. I need to finish that corner trim and that light. They broke it when they were doing the installation. I gotta fix that. Overall, everything is done. I gotta get some fresh florals and a couple of more things to organize, but for the most part, I'm really loving how it turned out. So pretty much you guys have been here with me for a really long time. Not much has changed in the overall how I set my closet up. I think the only difference is I no longer have doors. And I'm 50-50 on if the position of that will change, because I can add doors because these are all wood framing. So I could, I just don't know if I'm interested in actually updating that. That might change. With that being said, I do want to share just certain things that I now have since I'm with a man. I went to Amazon and I purchased these. This has my belt and also my fiance's belt in here. It is an acrylic belt organizer, and so I have my belts in here. It's actually, honestly, it looks like it's more my belt than his belt, honestly, but I really like it because I have to see it in order to wear it. And honestly, I haven't even been wearing these belts because I haven't seen them. They were in a drawer and I forgot all about them, and so I haven't had the opportunity to wear them. Let me put it behind my bag. So I'm definitely one of those, I have to see it, and because I haven't really been seeing them, I haven't been wearing them. And so highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I want to say I shared this before in the past, so if I did, it's repetitive. If I didn't, you're seeing this for the first time. When it comes to my shoes, okay, in order to keep them standing up, that way they're not all like flimsy and crazy, I purchased these, I think they're called shoe forms, boot forms. I do have them linked. They'll be down in the description, so that way if you have like little small booties or knee-high boots and you want to you know, whatever, you can. The next thing that I want to share with you that has come in so handy for me, and I'll just kind of pop it right here, is a valet. There's actually 3 totaling out in the primary. So my fiance has one in his closet, and then there's 2 in here, one on my side, which is on this side, and then one over there on his side. It just really helps to see. You'll see it here. When I'm getting ready and I have my outfits together, I'll put my dress, my bag, my jewelry, and I can see everything and kind of make a sound decision on what it is that I want to wear. And then I can also steam it because I have a steamer. Again, uniform hangers, which you can see here. You can organize all your stuff, put them where they need to go. I have the 2-finger rule that I learned when I used to work in retail. So pretty much you put 2 fingers in between the hanger, and then you put the other hanger, 2 finger hanger, 2 finger hanger, and then you organize everything. I also wanted to bring your attention to the actual countertop. This is an OG cut on the stone. This is quartz. This is actually the very first time that I've been able to do a detail like this. This was extra. It was extra. I did not want to do it, but I couldn't do the waterfall. The waterfall was just going to be way too much, but initially I wanted the waterfall, but then I was like, let me save that budget for the kitchen. And so I just opted to just do the OG. It's such a great detail. It does create a more traditional feel, I will say that, but I actually like that. I love massive trim. I love the detail. I love all these extra things. And so I was happy that I was able to actually introduce it into my closet, because it's something that I've been wanting for years. Normally, especially when you're dealing with like new construction, most of the countertop is like bullnose or just straight edge, and I'm exhausted. I wanted something different, which is why I wasn't in a huge rush to get my island, because my island literally was half the cost of my closet, which sounds ridiculous, but I know that I got a really good deal. Also, let me just share, I have been doing closet makeovers and renovations for clients, and so totaling out under SBC belt, we have a total of 8 closets completed. I was thinking about putting in organizing, but I don't think I want to do that. I don't think I want to do that. My back would probably have to be against the wall for me to offer that, because I hate doing it for myself. So I couldn't even imagine doing it for someone else. And if I don't have the same like heart and passion for it, I probably shouldn't do it. And so I do love doing the closets. The closets are something that brings me joy. So I don't know why no one ever asked me to do a closet for them in the past. I do want to say that my design business is a full service, but I know because I'm on social media, if I'm not doing something, then people automatically equate that I can't do it, and I can. And so when I did my closet, I had a lot of people reach out wanting their closets done. And so we've been doing closets, and it has brought me so much joy. It has brought me so much joy. So if you are interested in getting your closet done and you're in Atlanta, please reach out to me because I'm available. That's one. And two, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'll tell you guys early, but maybe in a month or so, I'll make like an announcement on Instagram. And I know you guys are not following me on Instagram, so if you want to, you can. But I'll go ahead and give it to you guys early. One of the cabinet companies that I do business with said that they were willing to do, because I brought the idea to them, like, hey, I would like to do a giveaway to someone. So they're going to be offering 30% off your kitchen renovation. So if you need your kitchen done, you get 30% off the cabinetry, which I think is a really great deal. It's a deal that is offered to me as a content creator for me to share. That would be the only stipulation, that I would have to post, of course, the work in the company and the kitchen, and then you would get 30% off. So all you gotta do is DM me and let me know you want to do it. And then we will kind of go over everything to figure out your space. And then we'll kind of go from there. I do understand how hard it is to get your home together, especially to the specifications that you would want it to be done. And so I'm doing my best to see what I can do for some of y'all, because I know some of you guys have been supporting me for a long time. And I'm always seeing the comment, I'm saving up. And it's like, if I could do something to take some of that financial weight off, then let me try to do that. Honestly, right now, just doing things in the house keeps my mind from thinking about what's going on in the world. And I do see what's going on. It is extremely heavy. It is a lot. But I'm just trying to kind of like stay afloat and stay positive and all of that jazz. But you guys, I think that's pretty much it. If I had to give you one word to describe my current closet, so I have done a total of, this right here is the 4th closet tour, and it's a different closet. The last 3 closets were the same closet. I would have to say perfect, intentional. And I'm only using that word because I've always wanted the closet to be attached to the bedroom. I never wanted to walk out and go into the hallway and go into the next room to go into my closet. And so for me, I feel like in looking for a house and trying to find the perfect home, finding this to me was like a gem, simply because the bedroom was so attached to the primary that it let the space be open and available, and it's so good. We're not using it to its full potential right now, but when we are, it's going to be amazing. That to me is the only difference. The other day I was talking to a friend, Kendra, and I said to her, this is like a basic model closet. And she was like, basic? No. I'm like, yes, being someone who designs and I've done other people's closets and stuff, this is like really, really minimal, right? Because there's so much that could have been done, but keep in mind, with every add-on comes an extra labor cost. This is another element of, you can still do it on the budget and it still comes out really great. And you could still do it on the budget and it still comes out really great. You definitely have to take your time. The time allotted to me for this closet was 5 months. It took 5 months for me to get it together, and that is getting all the framing done because the guy gave me too good of a deal not to do it. And then for my birthday, I got the flooring done. And then for Christmas, I was like, I need that island for Christmas. Don't buy me no gift. Don't buy me no handbag. Don't buy me no shoes. Can I just get the island? And that was that. So it was moving into the house, birthday gift, Christmas gift, and within 5 months, it was done. I do feel like you have to be realistic with the ask. I'm working on that, by the way. So I'm not just saying it to you guys. I'm working on that. Okay. And so, yeah, I'm really happy with how the space came. If there's a question that you guys may have that I did not answer, please feel free to leave it in the comments and I will be sure to get to you. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you guys on the next one.